Hi, my name is Taylor. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Introducing the FutureX Pen, redefining innovation in writing and beyond. In a world where technology constantly evolves, the boundaries between the analog and digital realms continue to blur. Embracing this era of transformation, we proudly present the FutureX Pen, a cutting-edge fusion of traditional writing and futuristic innovation. More than just a writing instrument, the FutureX Pen is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of timeless craftsmanship and state-of-the-art technology, crafted to perfection. The FutureX Pen boasts an exquisite design that pays homage to the elegance of classic writing tools while seamlessly integrating modern functionalities. Its sleek and ergonomic body ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to effortlessly glide across the paper. But there's more than meets the eye. Beneath the surface lies a world of possibilities waiting to be unlocked. Equipped with smart connectivity features, the FutureX Pen effortlessly syncs with your digital devices, transforming handwritten notes into digitized content in real time. With the accompanying app, your notes seamlessly transfer to your preferred cloud storage platforms, ensuring that no brilliant idea or important thought is ever lost. Do you want to earn extra income from the comfort of your home? Visit the website tryhomebase.com for more info. Its touch-sensitive body opens doors to an array of creative expressions. From sketching and drawing to annotating and highlighting, the pen adapts to your creative needs, enhancing your productivity and unleashing your artistic potential. Security is paramount in this digital age, and the FutureX Pen understands that. State-of-the-art encryption protocols safeguard your digital notes, giving you peace of mind as you capture and share your ideas across devices. Join us as we embark on a journey into the future of writing and innovation with the FutureX Pen. This exceptional tool bridges the gap between the traditional and the contemporary, celebrating the art of writing while embracing the convenience of modern technology. Welcome to a new era of expression, where the FutureX Pen becomes an extension of your creativity and intellect.